Today we are going to make rice pepper Vietnamese salad.
We use lettuce, mint leaf, beans, brown, shrimp, garlic, chili,
Soy sauce, vinegar, water, chili sauce, sesame oil, peanut butter, honey, rice pepper, and noodle. Let's make it.
A tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. A little bit of Thai pepper, and mix together. Put 4 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, two tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of lime juice,
Ta-da! This is our dipping sauce. We put rice vermicelli in the pot to boil it.
Then put rice pepper into the warm water to make it soft. Let's roll our snap rolls.
we put the lettuce, and we put our noodles, and the shrimp. Then we put the mint leaf and bean sprouts. Then we roll it.
Hey, this is your menu, Vietnamese snap roll.
Thank you.
Very delicious.
One teaspoon of chili sauce. Only one.